Yeah, so basically about 12 years, 12 to
Yeah.
13 years.
Yeah.
The germ was long ago. Matlab, of course, it always angered us when we read the stories of honor killing in a paper. Ki this couple was killed. They were cut into pieces, put into gunny bags. बहुत ज़्यादा gory details आते थे newspaper में. So that angered us that हमने सोचा कि यार इसका कुछ तो होना चाहिए. Something else should happen about this.
Correct. And all the films that we watched around us in that phase, the lovers would typically die at the end. So as storytellers, me and Sid thought, ki, okay, this is a chance to play God. What if people were not to die? What if, they would live, they would survive this and actually fight back? So that was the germ of the story. Now, for पहले तो हमको लगा कि okay, now that we've devised this, कि हमें ये करना है, how do we go about selling this to the producers? Because our first audience is the producers. So that was quite a journey where we found someone who said, no, this is too bold. I don't think anyone should rebel against the families. And then, of course, we found the producers.
Yes,
Yeah.
and then they were, after the initial, of course, round of that, they were okay. Matlab maybe they didn't realize the depth of the sensitivity
Yeah.
in the subject.
Correct.
So, but eventually they were brave enough to make it.
Absolutely.
Yeah, we
So,
shot it, and after that, again, the struggle of release began, where OTTs say कि ये तो बहुत controversial subject है. This is a little touchy. We cannot touch this kind of a subject.
right.
So,
For a subject like this, we knew that the journey could be difficult because at every stage, like when there are like we are casting the main lead lovers. Tahir and Mithila have done a beautiful job in the film, but when it was about casting people, a lot of actors were backing out. We were meeting, constantly meeting people, and we realized that they are not willing to do something as bold as this. So all in all, the journey extended to about from the origination of the idea to the completion of it, and now release has taken about 10 to 12 years, I would
yeah.
say.
Yeah, so the Tahir got the character of Shatru bang on. Matlab, he was like, I'm up for it. I want to do this because he's never done a mainstream hero character as such. He debuted as a villain and then he went on to do other different roles, but he never was a quintessential hero. Jo, he's singing songs or maybe romancing a heroine or whatever. So he was very excited, and also the social message that the film carries. He was very excited about that. And
Yeah.
coming to Mithila, it was completely out of her comfort zone. What she's done has always been very close to how she is in real life.
Yeah.
But this character is contrary to her existence actually.
Correct. If you see the trailer, the language that she's speaking, I mean, one great thing about Mithila is that, in spite of being a girl who thinks and talks in English mostly, she's a Marathi girl. She has taken to Hindi, and not just Hindi, but the MP dialect so well that you can't tell that this girl is not from this place. So that's a point that we make in our films. That the actor should speak convincingly. As far as Tahir goes, I'll tell you one very important thing. To begin with, people do not see Tahir, like Sid mentioned, as a mainstream hero. For us also, it was quite a thing to believe, okay, yeah, he can play this character, and he surprised us in the shoot. It's a special mention for him actually. He's so good in the film that as directors and as writers, we were very satisfied with the way he portrayed the scenes.
Yeah.
He is the character,
Yes,
practically.
absolutely. Yeah, I mean, we are too small to comment on the great talent that Mr. Bhansali is. But उन्होंने एक process, what we imbibed is that, he said he gave us one vehicle during Ramlila. Both of us are not from Gujarat. So, and the film is rooted in Gujarat, so it needed a dialect, a visual quality, of course. So he gave us a vehicle and he said, you guys go. Nobody from production, nobody from direction was involved
With us,
in that.
yeah.
Only both of us, and we were exploring Gujarat. No agenda was given. He's just said, you just go and absorb whatever you can. And we came back and we wrote the story. So that is a process that we follow for all our films now. Even when we are writing for other people, other directors, we follow that process. So that is one thing that we have surely
No,
imbibed.
absolutely. And a lot of that Kutch travel was in Ramlila then.
Yeah.
The names of the cities, we didn't know what layer was forming, but we realized, okay, what a smart filmmaker. He has sent his writers to Gujarat, to Kutch to absorb this. And we are going to Rabadi houses. There were very few left by then. We had to go right until Nakatrana and all of that. We got those names into the film. So we ended up writing the screenplay soon after we came back. So we realized that travel really triggers your mind. That is a process he has given.
Right.
And of course, living for your frame. I mean, that वो जो एक मॉनिटर पे फ्रेम है वो आपका सब कुछ है उस मोमेंट में. That value, I think, वो old school filmmaker ही आपको सिखा सकता है. And Mr. Bhansali is a pro at that. Perfectionist to that order.
And I feel, but apart from this, every filmmaker or every writer or a director is born with a vision.
Yeah.
अब बाकी तो आप सीख नहीं सकते, फिर आप सीखोगे तो वो कॉपी हो जाएगा. तो इसलिए we have a different color palette, we feel. And he has a very, he's very meticulous about his color palette कि ये ऐसा ही होगा.
Yeah.
We are more kitschy in terms of color palette is what we feel. We think we should incorporate all colors equally.
Yeah.
So that's
Sajja says a lot about theme. Maybe some films, of course, in future we could get, borrow from that. But I would say, like Sid said, vision and, this thing cannot be borrowed, what you want to do in your film.
Yeah.
The one thing that we didn't learn was using budgets like him, because both our films have been in the budget so far.
very
Saleh
frugal.
Ashik is a very frugally made film. We shot it in 44 days, completely outdoor. Sir is a lot about sets and all of that. But
Yeah.
we were on real locations. We love real locations.
I mean, it's as good as your protagonist, यार.
Yeah.
I feel.
Yeah.
मतलब that's what we feel, both of us, कि वो आप जितना एक protagonist important होता है, उतना ही एक location important होता है. So it adds a value and it adds a layer into the film like nothing else. I mean.
No, absolutely. I mean, for us, I don't think without real locations we can ever make a film. I don't know about. I don't know if in future we make a film on sets or anything. But for me and Siddharth, it is a driving factor. Like, you will be surprised, there's a film called Toilet Prem Katha that we wrote.
Right.
It was completely our concept, our everything. So the director, of course, was trying to seep into the thing, but me and Siddharth had done so much location recce during our writing that we took him to the houses. ये केशव का घर है, यहाँ पे भैंस बन सकती है, यहाँ पे ये हो सकता है. We practically showed all the locations to the unit that this is where we can do this. So those real locations, that texture you can never get anywhere else.
And I would like to add to that, basically, for the Toilet एक प्रेम कथा, हमने जब कहानी लिखी थी तो टॉयलेट का इशू पूरे देश में है. It exists all over the country. We wanted to base it in Madhya Pradesh, in the Bundelkhand area. We went there, Jhansi, Orchha, we did our research. Of course, there were no toilets over there. But then हमने सोचा चलो एक बार मथुरा भी चले जाते हैं. So we went to Mathura and we saw this beautiful thing called Latmar Holi. We thought, I mean, this has to be in cinema. It has never been used in Indian cinema.
Right.
So that's when we decided to shift the entire script to Mathura.
Yeah.
And Mathura में भी टॉयलेट का इशू है, तो
Yeah.
मतलब वो ऐसा ऑर्गेनिक फिट हो गया वो.
Right. Of course, Akshay Kumar sir still curses us that तुम लोगों ने मुझे 50 दिन के लिए मथुरा में रख दिया. But we are happy about that. To add just one thing I want to add to this, like Siddharth said, Latmar Holi. During the shoot of Saleh Ashik, during the recce of Saleh Ashik, writing recce, we discovered this beautiful culture of चुन्नी चढ़ाना. तो वो क्या करते हैं, किलोमीटर लंबी चुन्नी होती है जिसको they take it to the Narmada river. There's a huge procession of people who walks and बांधों it across the thing, saying हमने माता को चुन्नी चढ़ा दी. River के across बांध
I think there are glimpses of it in the trailer.
in the trailer.
Yeah.
So when you
it's
watch
an entire
the film,
sequence in the film, if you see, it's the intermission sequence.
So it was not there in the original screenplay. We got it to the screenplay saying, "ये तो we should depict it. Indian culture and locations can be explored like this."
yeah.
So we actually made that chunni. We designed it with our art directors and everything, and then of course we used it. So it's a very important sequence in the film. Intermission ke just pehle.
Yeah,
So,
there was a time when YesG and all these people used to shoot abroad.
yeah.
It's like a tourism diary. A film is like a tourism booklet or an ad for tourism. So we feel the tourism in India needs to be promoted.
Yeah.
That's how you can stay connected to your culture. आपको यहाँ नहीं पता है कि आपके पास एक ग्रैंड कैनियन जैसा बेड़ा घाट है.
Yeah.
So why not? मतलब not many people in the country, South India or North India, know about the existence.
Totally.
So why not?
Yeah.
Yeah.